today I'm going to reveal a squeaky voice, but not my real voice. I just wanted to do this because, I don't know, some people like reveal their face, or voice to their fans, but sometimes I don't, so yeah, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I hope you enjoy. I don't have really much, but I'm going to still use this squeaky chipmunk voice, so yeah.